Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the Corporate Finance Institute. Let's get started. The Corporate Finance Institute, also known as CFI, offers a wide range of courses for everyone wanting to develop their career in finance. CFI has the right course for you whether you are a student, beginner, intermediate, or professional. Today, we will tell you more about the company and what it has to offer. Corporate Finance Institute was founded in 2016 to enhance finance professional skills, knowledge and productivity. It has helped many professionals all over the world through their courses, including employees from Fortune 500 companies, which means you will be in great company. 1. Courses. CFI offers more than 140 different courses, all related to finance. These courses are all carefully created and put together by industry experts. This means that you can count on accurate, functional, and up-to-date information. There are 4 finance certifications that you can obtain through CFI. These finance certifications are Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst, Commercial Banking and Credit Analyst, Capital Markets and Security Analyst, Business Intelligence and Data Analyst. These 4 finance certifications all exist out of a group of courses. You can decide how long you will work on the courses, as they are available as long as your subscription is active. In general, it takes participants 4 to 6 months to finish. And the best thing about these finance certifications is that they are accredited and will never expire. This means you don't have to worry about additional lessons over time for your certificate to stay valid. 2. CPA credits. Of course, you would want to stay up to date on everything that's going on in the financial world. This is possible with the CPA credits that CFI offers. In total, you can earn 307.5 CPA credits through CFI. 3. Cost. There are 2 subscriptions, the self-study subscription and the full immerse subscription. We recommend visiting the Corporate Finance Institute website to find the accurate prices. Financial aid. As CFI wants to be as inclusive as possible, it offers students from low to modest income families the chance to apply for their financial aid program. This way, students that may not be able to pay the cost of the courses on their own will get a chance to follow the courses that CFI offers. There are a few preconditions that you need to meet to be eligible for the financial aid program. You can read these on the Corporate Finance Institute website. Free courses. Besides paid courses, you can also follow free courses. This is an excellent way to get familiar with the institution's courses. At the moment, you can find 27 different free courses. The level of courses. The courses can be followed by everyone interested in developing their knowledge of finance, whether you are a student, beginner, intermediate, or seasoned professional. Even though the courses have different levels, you don't need to worry about being bored or overwhelmed. All the lessons are engaging and interactive, making learning more accessible and pleasant. Besides that, there will also be regular assessments and projects to ensure that your skills are where they need to be. Accessibility. The courses are accessible in more than 170 countries. Chances are that your country of residence is also one of them. Besides that, the courses are entirely online, which makes it easy for you to follow them wherever you are, at your own pace and during your own time. 4. Benefits. Following courses through CFI has a lot of benefits. We will go over them briefly. Extra knowledge. Extra knowledge is always great, especially when you want to specialize in a specific area within your career. With the courses that CFI offers, you will be able to develop your skills, ultimately advancing your career. Affordable prices. Some companies have incredibly high prices. Fortunately, the prices at CFI are reasonable and affordable for most. This way, you can develop your skills without breaking the bank. Free courses. Suppose you're low on money or not sure you want to invest in a course right now, then you can always try a free course. You can consider it a try before you buy. It makes you stand out. When multiple people apply for a job, a certification can help you stand out in the crowd. It can also be the deciding factor whether you land a job or not. Boost your confidence. Whether you follow a course to refresh your knowledge or to gain knowledge of a completely new subject, after you finish your course, you will have much more confidence. This is great, especially when you're looking for a promotion, a new job, or heading into a new career direction. Accreditation. Corporate Finance Institute is accredited by the Better Business Bureau to maintain training standards and by the CPA institutions in Canada and the National Association of States Boards of Accountancy in the US for CPA credits. Flexibility. The courses are 100% online, making it easy for you to make your own schedule. This way you can learn without it conflicting with your private life. If you want to find out more about all the great learning tools that CFI has to offer, you can visit their website. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.